Dear viewers and listeners, I hope you will be fine, happy and healthy. Today we are going to begin presentation 12 and talking about ability. To talk about ability, use know how to plus verb. And here the presentation in the book says that would you like to be a bilingual secretary? So let's answer, not really, I don't know how to type. And again the Sakila asked a question that would you like to be a flight attendant? So let's answer, yes, I think I would. I know how to speak 3 foreign languages and I like to travel. So that's about the ability, and about the we will talk in this activity about ability, talking about ability, right? And know how to plus verb past form is equal to can. Dear viewers and listener, as you know, we have already talked about can in level past, that can is used for ability. For example, Salim can play cricket. Salim cricket खेल सकता है. We can recite the Holy Quran. हम कुरान मजीद की तिलावत कर सकते हैं. खालिद can't drive a car. खालिद एक गाड़ी नहीं चला सकता है. तो एक तो एबिलिटी के लिए, कैपेसिटी के लिए, कैपेबिलिटी के लिए हम can इस्तेमाल करते हैं सलाहियत के लिए. ये तो हमने डिस्कस किया था. बट एज यू नो दैट इज़ अ लैंग्वेज क्लास, वी विल लर्न हियर डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर. So in this activity we will talk about another use of ability, and that is know how to. Know mean जानता हो, how to के कैसा किया जाए, मतलब मैं जानता हूँ कि कोई काम कैसे किया जाए. Mean I know how to play cricket. It is equal to I can play cricket. So know how to plus verb past form is equal with can, and know how to means be able to. Be able to mean is salahiyat है मुझ में, और it shows ability. It shows what? Ability. And the common structure is, first of all we use subject, and after subject we use know how to. If the subject is you, we, they or plural noun, then we use verb past form know how to. But if the subject is he, she, it and singular noun, then we use knows how to. S-R-E-S with the singular noun we use, so knows how to. For example, Khalid knows how to recite the Holy Quran. It is equal to Khalid can recite the Holy Quran. Aisha knows how to speak English is equal to Aisha can speak English, right? और अगर मनफी स्ट्रक्चर हो तो काशिफ doesn't know how to play cricket. Mean Kashif can't play cricket, right? Knows and doesn't know. Or I don't know how to drive a car. Mean I can't drive a car. You don't know how to ride a bicycle. Mean you can't ride a bicycle. So know how to is equal to can, right? So here we will talk about the activity as well. For example, if I ask you would you like to be a teacher, क्या आप एक टीचर बनना चाहोगे? Not really, I don't know how to teach. I don't know how to teach. और अगर आप बनना चाहते हैं, would you like to be a teacher? Yes, I think I would. I know how to teach English. I know how to teach Urdu, etc. मुझे मैं मतलब ये काम करने की सलाहियत मुझ में है या सलाहियत नहीं है. अभी दूसरा क्वेश्चन डॉक्टर के बारे में मैं पूछूंगा, आप जवाब देंगे, क्योंकि डॉक्टर केयर द पेशेंट, मरीज़ों के इलाज कर सकता है, और डोंट केयर द पेशेंट मीन मरीज़ों के इलाज नहीं कर सकता है. वुड यू लाइक टू बी अ डॉक्टर?
Not really, I don't know how to care the patient.
God, how to care the patient. और अगर मैं आप मुझसे पूछ लो, would you like to be a doctor?
Would you like to be a doctor?
Yes, I think I would. I know how to care the patient. Suppose if I am a doctor, so I can use this structure then. अगर मैं आपसे पूछ लो, आप मुझसे पूछ ले farmer.
Would you like to be a farmer?
Not really. I don't know how to grow fruit and vegetable. अगर मैं आपसे पूछ लो वुड यू लाइक टू बी अ लॉयर, आप एक लॉयर बनना चाहते हैं? Not really.
I don't know.
How to answer legal question? How to answer legal question? Would you like to be an artist?
Yes, I think I would. I know how to.
God, yes, I think I would. I know how to draw. और अभी आप मुझसे पूछ ले, would you like to be?
I like to be a carpenter.
Not really. I don't know how to make things from wood. I don't know mean I can't make things from wood. So know how to is equal to can. Dear viewers and listener, try to listen the activity again and again and try to share it with your near and dear one as well. If you have some WhatsApp groups or other groups, also try to share this video in those groups in order to benefit the other people as well. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.